Welcome back. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of data analysis with Excel. Especially, we will be exploring two powerful tools of correlation and regression analysis. Okay, so let's get started by the opening our data. Okay, so whether you are using an older version or the latest one, the process remains the same. Once you have got open and make sure you have that your data ready for this tutorial. We will be using a simple data set containing two variables like x and y. Okay, so first off, let's calculate the correlation confluence between these two variables. So go ahead and click on the empty cells where you want the result to appear. So for example, I want to use this one, then type here the correl. So this one, if I want to use it, returns the correlation score or coefficient between two data sets. This one, then the first array, let me select the range of cells of the x and y that are separated by a comma. So I want to select this one, then close it with a parenthesis, press the enter. Okay, so you have got your correlation or coefficients. So this number range between like -1 and the 1. So indicating the strength and direction or relations between x and y. Okay, so now let's move on the regression analysis. This part you can predict the value of one variable based on the value of another in Excel. I use the built-in regression analysis tools, and you will find under the data in there. Okay, so if you have not or if you don't see it, don't worry. You just need to enable it. So head over to the data tabs and click on the data analysis. And also here you will get the data analysis in dialog box, and under there you will find the regression in there. Okay, so in the regression dialog box, now I will use the OK, and also or before that I will do, and here you will find to input a few parameters. First, select your y range or dependent variables. So like here, I will use this one. Then the next one is x range. So I will select this one, the x range, or before that, I want to do. Let me do it again. And I want to select this one. Then the y range or x range, I want to use this one. So you can choose the input label if your data has hidden. Okay, so if you want to this one, the label, I can just easily use it. Now once you had set up everything, or you can use the input or output range. For example, let me select over this range and then click on the OK, and Excel will generate your regression analysis output. So this includes the regression equations or coefficient and our squared value and more. Okay, so now you can easily see it here. We have the multiple we have the regression over there. So by clicking over here, you can easily find it, this one. Okay, so and there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can perform correlation and regression analysis right within Excel. So whether you are exploring relationship in data or making prediction, in these tools are invaluable for any data driving taxes. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next time.